A grown dog can weigh up to 9 times its weight as a puppy. If a puppy weighs 14.7 pounds, how much will that grown dog weigh if it lives up to that prediction? So let's go ahead and take a look. I don't see any about or estimating, so we are going to do a straight calculation. I have 14.7 times 9. 7 times 9 is 63. I'll carry the 6. 4 times 9 is 36, plus the 6 is 42. 1 times 9 is 9, plus the 4 is 13. I have 1, 3, 2, 3. I had one number behind the decimal in my factor, so I'll have one number behind the decimal in my answer. This is 132.3 pounds. And if I wanted to estimate that just to check, I could round, and 14.7 would round to 15. 15 or 9, I would round to 10. I should have somewhere near 150, which 132 is near 150.